always hear there is a land beyond the mortal dreams of man, where every tear will be left behind. But it must be in another time. There'll be an everlasting light, shining the purest holy white, where every tear will be erased. But it must be in another place. Oh, 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 oh. So I'm waiting for another time in another place, where all my hopes and dreams will be captured with one look of Jesus' face. And know my heart's been burning, my soul keeps yearning. Sometimes I can hardly wait on that sweet, sweet someday, when I'll be swept away to another time and another place. I've grown so tired on earthly things. They promise peace but furnished pain. All of my life's sweetest joy combined could never match those in another time. And though I put my trust in Christ, I feel His Spirit moves in my life. I know it's truly just a taste of the glory of another place. Oh, 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 oh. So I'm waiting for another time and another place, where all my hopes and dreams will be captured with one look of Jesus' face. And know my heart's been burning, my soul keeps yearning. Sometimes I can hardly wait on that sweet, sweet someday.